Greetings to everyone. It's a pleasure once again. I want to guide you on how you can buy from Pancakeswap. I'll first of all use the Trust wallet. When I'm done, I'll try the Metamask as well. So you come to your Trust wallet, you log in, then you come beneath, the items below. You come to dApps, then you scroll and check Pancakeswap. Guys, just scroll and choose Pancakeswap. No need to type anything. Just scroll and select Pancakeswap. It will connect you to the Pancakeswap.finance. Alright, when it brings you to the site, if it is the first time you are connecting, they will ask you to connect wallet. But me, I have already connected. As a result, I wasn't asked to connect my wallet. Okay, but having done that, it brings you to the swapping arena where you have BNB, and then it's always the currency at the top is what you are going to use to buy the one at the bottom. All right, so now I may like to use USDT or BNB or whatever. So let me see if I can select USDT. If you are using USDT, make sure your USDT is the BEP20 type. Guys, make sure your USDT is the BEP20. It's not the ERC20. All right, then I'll come here and then I will select Lioeagle. Lioe. When I type my Lioe, it will show me the Leo token. In case you type Lioe and you don't see anything like this, the next thing to do is, in case you are coming here for the first time, you have to add the Leo contract address to your wallet or to the swap, Pancakeswap. All right, so normally what we'll do is you go to your Chrome browser, then you select where you go to the Leo Asian.cash. That is the best way to get your Leo. Guys, always go to Asian.cash. We don't want you to go around picking any contract address from anywhere. Go to Asian.cash. It will connect you to the site, and then you will close the news button and scroll down. Normally, this is what I do. I'll just click the menu, and then I'll come to crowd sale. Then it will bring me down. Then I'll scroll up a little. Then I'll get to a place where the contract is. So you select the contract. I'm doing this to show those who are now visiting Pancakeswap for the first time on your phone. Pancakeswap, the swap will not detect the Leo unless you are able to copy the contract. All right, then you go back to your Trust wallet, and then you after you have selected the USDT or whatever you want to use to buy at the top, when you come to the bottom, you will paste the contract. Always paste it. When you paste it, the Leo will pop up, and then the system will ask you to import. Then you click on import. Then automatically the Leo will be here. All right, guys, the Pancakeswap is very slow, so you can see it is now loading. I'm waiting for the balance to be loaded, both the USDT and the Leo to finish loading. Okay, now you can see I have $99.7 in my USDT. I want to buy Leo. How many Leo do I want to buy? Amount. I'll just type in the amount at the top here. In the USDT column, I'll type in the amount, assuming I want to buy $80. All right, so you see I put in $80. Then the system will automatically calculate the quantity of Leo that I will get. All right, then I will come beneath here and click swap. When you click swap, it will ask you to confirm. Then I'll click confirm. I'm using $80. It will ask you to accept the price update because it keeps changing every second. I'm using, all right, so it is asking me again to swap. Sometimes it's a little bit challenging here, but keep giving it more time, waiting for confirmation. Let's see what happens. it is confirming. All right, now it have asked me to approve. I am buying Leo, and the transaction charges is 0.81. That is very low. I will approve. Then I will, yes, so it is moving through. That is how it is. It needs patience. Transaction submitted. Excellent. Now you can view it from BS scan. You can close, but the truth is that anytime I go back to my wallet and refresh, I will see the tokens in my wallet. So I have just finished buying from Pancakeswap. Very excellent, very, very simple. Now let me try to use different, now we don't only use BNB. You can use BNB, you can use USDT, you can use anything at all to buy. All right, let me go to my wallet so that you check the value of my USDT. Initially I had 99, almost 100 USDT. Now I have to refresh. I'm trying to refresh it so that you see the current value of my USDT. Let me keep refreshing because the system is still loading. Excellent. As you can see, my USDT have reduced from 99 to 19 because I bought 80. So you see, it have been deducted, meaning the transaction have gone through. But I have some smart chain, that is BNB. I also like to try that one. I come to Pancakeswap. I wait for it to load. Then you can use every token that is a BEP20 token. Every token can be used to swap for Leo, not only BNB, guys. You can use every token. They are uncountable. I don't know the kind of token you have. So currently, I want to use BNB. You see, it have loaded and it is informing me that I have 0.9 BNB. All right, I'll change this one to Leo because now, in order not to have conflict, I'll paste my contract address here. But I have two Leo. I already saved the first Leo and then I have another Leo. So always the contract will enable me to know the right one. Okay, so I have selected my Leo. Now, the little challenge people have here is the amount of BNB is equivalent in dollars. Right now, I have 0.94 BNB. What is that amount in equivalent to $1 or to $1? So that is where people, so someone may like to buy in dollars. So you'll be struggling to know the equivalence. I want to show you some simple method so that you will not struggle. But I can choose to buy 0.5 BNB. But what is 0.5 BNB? The simple method that I want to help you is allow the BNB to be at the top. Come down here. Oh, sorry. Come down here and then click on the Leo, and instead of me to select Leo, I rather select USDT. I will select USDT. All right, when I select the USDT, I will put in the amount of USDT I want to buy. All right, so the amount in dollars. So assuming I want to buy $500. $500. All right, so I have put in $500, guys. Look at the equivalent of $500 at the top. So you see, I'll do this one. I'll highlight it and I will copy. All right, just highlight it and copy. So after I have highlighted it, or just keep it at the back of your mind. So 0.79 or 0.79 BNB is equivalent to $500. Assuming I want to buy $100, I'll do the same thing here by tapping on the amount below, and then I'll change it from 500 to 100. All right, so I'll put in 100. Now my $100 is giving me 0.15. Guys, you see, so you will know the equivalent. All right, now let me go back to Leo. I'll go back to select Leo. So I'll select my Leo token. Then for me, I want to buy, let's assume I want to buy 0.5. BNB. All right, so I'll select 0.5 BNB. Okay, all right, so the 0.5 BNB will give me equivalent of 26,000 Leo. All right, so I'll come down and then I'll click on swap. Just wait for the system to load. Confirm. It is confirming. Very simple. Wait for it. It will ask you to approve. Wait for it. I have approved with my password or by fingerprint. Swapping 0.5 BNB for 26,000 Leo. It is done, guys. Transaction submitted. Once you see transaction submitted, it means it is successful. All right, guys, the same method applies to the Metamask. The same method. When you log into Metamask, instead of you to use dApps, look at the top, the three lines. You tap on the three line, that is the menu. Then the Metamask will open, the menu will open, and then you type on browser. So you tap on browser, and at the browser, you will be allowed to key in Pancakeswap.finance. You see, he's asking me to connect my wallet. I have connected it. I am at, if you enter for the first time, you can put in Pancakeswap.finance. Very necessary. All right, Pancakeswap.finance. So it is at the exchange or swapping. Now I have my BNB at the top. I can also select the cake. Just tap. Always it is fixed at the cake, but you can tap on the cake. Then the system will open for you to put in your contract address for the first time. This one, the contract address method is applicable only for the first time. After the first time, no need to always put the contract address. It will appear direct when you type Leo. All right, so it have appeared. Now I have 0.1 BNB. I would like to buy, let me buy 0.05 BNB. Yes, I'm buying 0.05 BNB. Okay, so I've put in 0.05. It says I'll get 2,600. All right, so I'll come below here and then I'll click on swap. Guys, I'll click on swap. Just give it time. It's an internet thing. So now it is confirming, just like the way it happened at Trust Wallet. The same thing. The only difference between the Trust and the Metamask is that the Trust, you use the dApps, whilst the Metamask, you use the browser at the menu. All right, so he wants me to confirm. So I'll click on confirm, and then I'll scroll down. All right, so when you scroll down, you see the confirm button. Then I'll click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, you are buying 0.05 BNB, equivalent $31. Then it is processing. This is at Metamask, the same method, just like the Trust. All right, so submitted, very successful. Added, Leo has been added to your Metamask, so you can now close, and then you go check your balance. That is how we buy, guys. It's a very simple method. Remember, always in the Trust you use dApps, but in the Metamask you use the browser instead. Thank you so much for your time. The same thing when you want to buy, when you want to sell. If I want to sell, instead of me to bring BNB at the top, I rather change and bring Leo at the top. Guys, that is how you sell too. You bring Leo, just type Leo at the top, and then you select your Leo token. Then you bring the currency you want to swap for. Do you want BNB or do you want USDT? If you want BNB, that is it. So what quantity of BNB Leo do you want? Put in the quantity. So let's assume I want to sell for 0.05 BNB. When I type the 0.05 BNB at the low column, sorry, the old transaction is now updating. Okay. Alright, so that is it. Now, because I type 0.05, the system have calculated the quantity of Leo that will be deducted from my wallet. Then you go ahead to swap. When you swap, instead of you getting Leo, this time around you're going to get BNB in your wallet. This is very simple. Thank you so much for watching. Share the video to everyone that wants to buy so that we can all grow the system. Goodbye.